Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your Audible account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So for anybody who do not know what is an Audible app, well, Audible app is an American-based online audiobook and a podcast service on my Amazon, where you can listen to your favorite podcasts and to your favorite books and novels as well. So for any of the podcast maniac or even the books maniac, well, this could be your place. So to learn how to create your own account and grab all the chances, well, we are here to help you, and I'm going to teach you how to create one account or many as you like of Audible. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to do it through any of the suitable browser. You can go for it. Either you can even install your app from Play Store or App Store and go and install it and create your own, but today I'm going to teach you how to do it by going through its own website. So I'm going to choose Chrome for this, so you can see. Alright, this is the particular homepage for Chrome, which looks like this. All you gotta do is search or type a web address, that is audible.in, and tap to go to the page just like this. This is the homepage for Audible, the very initial one. So all you gotta do is tap on these three parallel lines on the top left corner of the screen. This will give you various options. Also tap on Sign In on the top of the list, just like this. Now you can tap your preferred phone number that you want to use to create one, but since I'll tell you that we do not have an account, so we are going to tap on Create Your Amazon Account just below it. So you will be given with an approach to first of all put your name, fill all the details over here, and tap on Create Your Amazon Account. Okay, first of all, I need to solve this puzzle is what's being told over here. Let me do it so that I can confirm that I'm not a robot, and then tap on Continue option. You can see that I'll get an OTP on my preferred email address. I'm gonna go there and check it. So guys, as you can see that I'm on my email address homepage, and on the top of the list I do have a notification for audible.in to verify my Amazon account. So I'm going to tap on it. So you can see I do have an OTP, that is one-time password. I'm going to tap on this number, copy this, go back to the Audible page and enter my OTP over here by simply pasting it just like this and tapping on Create Your Amazon Account. So you can see that I do have an account, guys. Just simply tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner and tap on your name, Alexa. That's my name. You can tap on my account to see your own account. So these are the membership details and all of this, and simply you can get back to your home screen as well. So you can see I do have an account on Audible. So this is how you do it. Alright, so this is how you do it. This is how you create your Audible account, guys. So this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.